So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your flight on EasyJet. So the first thing you want to do is to get to your EasyJet account. So once you get to here, you can log into your EasyJet. Through here you can see your account status, check-in, book bags and seats, change flight, EasyJet holidays, voucher valet, or rather in this case voucher wallet, sorry. You can also sign out. So through there to get to your flight changes, you'll need to go to your account. You can view your booking, get to your account, and you can see change flight. Now, in order to change flight date, you need to just quickly sign into there and click on change flight. So as I mentioned here before, you will need to go to your booking that you've made. And from that point, you can start adding those changes to your EasyJet flight. So once you've started doing that, you can add the necessary information like the different date, different flight you want to change it to, and after that you will need to input your information that you need to get, and or rather you need to buy that specific ticket, or to get a change you will need to pay a certain fee and amount if it's different in value, and a fee to EasyJet for providing you with that service. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on EasyJet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.